Guys, it's Catherine here. I hope y'all are doing well. Today we are super busy at the Cheek team. We had showings and consultations and listings and all kinds of marketing going on, and wanted to take a little bit of time out to share something about a wonderful community that is only a golf cart ride away to the island. It's called The Retreat, so it's a perfect blend if you want a neighborhood feeling and vibe, but still very close to the island to where you could just hop on your golf cart, go over, enjoy the beach, enjoy just being able to ride around the island and the local restaurants and everything. Another favorite part about this neighborhood is that you are right behind the Lowe's. Yes, we have a Lowe's food store and a Lowe's hardware store. A little confusing for people who are not used to North Carolina, but we have a Lowe's that is right in the beginning part of the community, along with a couple of great coffee shops. It's actually my favorite coffee shop, and Domino's, and I think that we have another restaurant that's supposed to be going in, and then another favorite of mine is Maria's, that you just hop right on over across the street, and Spilt Milk for the best ice cream. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour today and check out what the new construction is like here in The Retreat.
I need a yes from you. It's like I'm hanging on every single word, wondering if you really heard all of the questions I am asking you. But it's happening now. I wanna move into there's nothing but